Hello watch lovers and welcome to my channel Wristwatch and Wallet. On this channel we unbox and review different budget watches. And today I have another affordable mechanical watch that I bought a few months ago but never got chance to open. But before moving forward, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That will help the channel to grow and I will be able to get new watches for you. First, it's a wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Pagani Design GMT 1622, the Batman version. Let's open the box. In the box we can see two things. One is the cushion, another is the watch. Apart from that, there is nothing. There is no cleaning cloth, there is no watch manual. I believe company has cut the corners to save the expenses. The watch model number is W109 and it's a mechanical watch, not an automatic watch. There is a difference between an automatic and mechanical watch. In automatic watches, there is a self-winding mechanics, which means by the wrist movement, a rotor will rotate and may wind the movement. On the other hand, in a mechanical watch, you have to wind the watch manually. Now let's move to the measurement of the watch. According to the website, the case diameter is around 40 mm. The lug-to-lug width is around 20 mm. The lug-to-lug height is around 48 mm. And the thickness of the watch is around 13 mm. Apart from that, we have a black strap. On the website it's mentioned that it is a leather strap, but I highly doubt it. And then we have a steel buckle. We have a see-through case back which seems to be held by screws, and we have hands that seems to be lumed. Let me know in the comment section how it looks to you. Now it's time to see how it looks on a wrist. Here how it looks on my 6.5 inches wrist. That is all for today. I will try to make a full review video after wearing it for some time. In order to know the true qualities of a watch, wear it for some time and you will know if it is for you or not. Once again, if you like the video, then please do subscribe and like. That will help the channel to grow and also might help someone to find this video. Thank you for watching.